from a leash, and I was sure that given half a chance, he would strike instantly and with telling effect.
Revulsion against the Spanish and a war fever swept the nation. Now, McKinley tried to dampen down the war spirit. He thought he might have time to make diplomacy work. But the problem was that popular energy, Congress, the war fever shortened the amount of time with which Spain had to come to the realization that they must leave Cuba.
Forced into action on January 24th, 1898, McKinley sends the battleship Maine to Cuban waters to protect U.S. interests. 6 days after the Maine arrives in Havana, Henry Cabot Lodge makes an eerie prediction.
There may be an explosion any day in Cuba, which would settle many things.
On February 15th, 1898, Lodge's prediction comes true. February 15th, 1898. The U.S. battleship Maine explodes in Havana Harbor. Edison's newsreels capture the aftershocks of the disaster, igniting imperialist fervor.